So I'm trying not to step on these young ones who don't like to get out of the way. Just checking out on the nestlings, birds, babies. It's alright. Got a bit of food in there, even though this is their first feed now. Alright. We've got two over here. Let's see. Oh, I've got a feeling. Oh yeah, that's from the beak. At least one of them's going to be a red. It's got a feeling. You can see like it's got that tinge. Hopefully, which is great. It's from that beautiful big blue. So that is good. Other ones over here flying around. This one still hasn't. Is he going to? Hey! Oh, there's one up there. Just got to give him some extra water.